Welcome back, everyone. What up, YouTube? Here we are at the channel. I'm Johan. I'm your host for today, and I want to talk to you about something a little different. I want to start up a vlog. I want to use this opportunity to talk to you guys about all things tech and cars and just general improvement of life. So hopefully this is within your wheelhouse and something you are interested in. Let me know in the comments below if you'd like me to talk about anything new. And if you have not been here to the channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below to stay up to date on all things car, auto, DIY, and tech related. All right, YouTube. So to kick it off, I wanted to talk to you about Starlink. Now, my parents live in Northern California, and the only way that they can get any type of internet out there is through a crappy HughesNet satellite dish. The internet speeds at their place in rural Northern California are terrible. I mean, like, can't hold a conversation, phones break up, it takes 2 minutes to send an email, really bad. So between 768 and 1.5 megs download speed. And anytime you have a satellite dish that's far away up in the sky, your latency is really bad. And what that means is the time for them to send the information to you and then you to upload or send back ends up being just terrible. The power to get back up to the satellite is where the issue is. Now, enter Starlink. Starlink, from our good buddy Elon Musk, the real life Tony Stark, is selling internet from satellites. He is starting it. It's a fledgling company, but it is huge and it has finally reached Northern California and all the way down into the East Bay where I live. So, should you sign up for some Starlink if you have terrible internet? The answer is yes, you should. So, for $600 and $100 a month, you can get 50 to 150 megs download speed, low latency. I mean, people are streaming gaming on it online, Stadia and other types of online games, and it works. Homesteaders are using it out in the middle of nowhere with just this little dish. You literally set the dish on the ground, and you turn it on, and within 10 minutes, it's aligned itself through the app, and it does everything you could possibly need, and it works. Northern California, let me know. I know it's in beta, but have you got yours yet? Have you signed up? Also, I live in the East Bay, and it's now available down here, so I wonder, has anyone actually signed up for it out here? Get on the mailing list. Now is the time. With that, if you guys want to hear me talk about anything new tech related, just let me know down below. Hit me up in the comments or whatever social platform you have, and I will be happy to converse with you. This is going to be a collaborative channel, and we're going to use it to, help everyone educate themselves on what's new and what's out there. So, thanks for listening. If you are interested in Starlink, I will put a link in the description below, and we'll see you next time.